Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about the via properties in the Saturn PCB designing tool, like how to calculate the property of the via at the time of PCB designing. What should be the size of the via? What should be the, like, in case of the current capacity of we need to increase the current capacity of the via, then what kind of changes we need to do, right? So we'll discuss everything here. So like uh, yeah, so firstly we will start with the properties of via. The first one is the via hole diameter. So here we need to fill the hole diameter of the via, which is the internal hole. Just follow my cursor. This is the black part, right? This is the via hole. So we need to put that diameter here. And the next thing is the internal pad diameter. So internal pad diameter is the diameter of the internal layers pad, right? So suppose we are designing a multi-layer PCB, right? So there should be a pad at the internal layer of the middle layers, right? At the internal layers or middle layers. So we need to put that diameter here. The next option is the reference plane opening diameter. So reference plane opening diameter is the diameter, just this is the black, this is the reference plane opening diameter. Just follow my cursor. So we need to put that dimension of the dimension of the whole via, including the pad, hole, everything, right? So the thing like you need to remember is that the reference plane diameter should be greater than the internal pad diameter, right? And the next option is the via plating thickness. So via plating is the, like you can say, this is the conducting we'll place a conducting material between the layers to make a via, right? So for that via plating we need to put a via plating thickness here. So suppose like at the time of designing, suppose in LTM designer, at the time of designing of via, right? So we'll put a plating thickness. So we need to put that number here, right? Okay, the next option is the unit and everything. So this is the material selection. So this is the FR4 we generally use, and temperature rise. So in my case the temperature rise is like 20 degree from ambient temperature. So total temperature will be the 42, right? Okay, and then click solve. So it will solve these are the properties of via, like what should be the via current, right? So this particular via can carry this amount of current. If we increase the current, then this via will be burn out, right? What is the cross section of that particular via, the power dissipation, DC resistance, resonance frequency, via inductance, via capacitance, everything, right? So yeah, so this is the multi-layer, like just follow my cursor. There is a option which is layer set. So this is the via properties of multi-layer. Suppose we are designing a 2-layer PCB, right? So we need to just click on the 2-layer. So here we need to just put the via hole diameter and the via plating thickness and the temperature. By that we can easily solve the current rating of the via DC resistance, via inductance, power dissipation, cross section, everything, right? Suppose we are designing a micro via, then we need to put the via hole diameter, the plating thickness of the micro via, the temperature rise of the micro via, and by that we can easily calculate the amount of current it can carry, right? Okay, thank you so much.